Welcome to Pathfinder Basics. My name is Model 42, and in this episode we will be talking about proficiencies. Like the ability scores from the last episode, they are usually only calculated during character creation, or when you level up your character. They also have a huge impact on the gameplay and will be found in almost anything, from your skills, your attacks, your armor class, your saving throws, your spells, and more, yet they are all calculated with the same method. There are a total of 5 ranks for proficiency: untrained, trained, expert, master, and legendary. If you are untrained, you receive no special bonus, and only use your ability modifiers and other bonuses when making checks of any kind. Should you be trained, however, this changes dramatically. In that case, you also add your character level +2, which means that over the course of the game, this value will get stronger while you get stronger, and thus stays useful for most of the game. Should you increase this to expert, the bonus will become your character level +4. At master, it will be your character level +6, and should you ever become legendary, you will reach the maximum of your character level +8, making the connected skill or check very useful even at level 20. Proficiency is a great way of being really good at it, not only giving your character purpose in encounters and exploration, but also, since there are a lot of them, can give you hints how to affect your roleplay. If you are very good at crafting, then you can easily tell, either by your background of being a blacksmith or artisan, that this is your job, or maybe you're just an ex-soldier who learned to mend his gear on the battlefield. If you have a very high will save, maybe you're just headstrong or brave, or maybe even numb because of your traumatic past experiences. This ends this lesson. You find the information on page 444 of the core rulebook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment telling me if you like the proficiency system of Pathfinder 2nd edition better than the skill point system of Pathfinder 1st edition, or why not.